Today, we've got something really exciting. We're going to walk through the process of installing the Thermalright Peerless Assassin 120 SE CPU cooler, and I'm going to make it super easy for you. If you're looking to upgrade your cooling solution with something that performs great, looks cool and is budget friendly, the Peerless Assassin 120 SE is an awesome choice. Let's get right into it. Alright, start by unboxing the cooler and making sure everything is in the box. Inside you'll find the cooler itself, the backplate, mounting hardware, thermal paste, and some instruction manuals. Take everything out carefully and check the manual to make sure you have all the necessary parts. You'll also want to keep the thermal paste handy. Before you install the new cooler, remove the old one. First, make sure to power down your PC and unplug everything from the power outlet. Then open your case and remove any cables or components blocking access to the CPU cooler. Then unscrew the mounting screws of your current cooler and gently lift it off the CPU socket. Be careful to not damage the CPU or motherboard when removing it. Now that the old cooler is removed, you want to clean the old thermal paste off the CPU. Use a lint-free cloth or paper towel with a little bit of isopropyl alcohol to gently wipe away the old paste. Make sure the surface is nice and clean because this helps the new thermal paste adhere better, which improves cooling efficiency. Now it's time to install the back plate, which will be used to secure the cooler to your motherboard. The Peerless Assassin 120 SE includes a universal backplate that works with most Intel and AMD sockets. Align the backplate with the mounting holes on the back of your motherboard. For Intel, you'll use the LGA 115X 1200 holes, and for AMD, you'll use the AM4 holes. Make sure it sits flat and securely. Now install the mounting brackets. These brackets will ensure the cooler to the CPU socket. For Intel CPUs, use the Intel mounting brackets, and for AMD, use the AMD mounting brackets. Attach the brackets to the cooler using the included screws. Make sure everything is snug but not overly tight. This bracket will hold the cooler in place once we attach it to the CPU socket. Now that everything is prepped, it's time to apply thermal paste. You only need a small amount, about the size of a small grain of rice. Apply it to the center of CPU. Don't go overboard with the paste. Too much paste can lead to overheating. Now carefully lower the cooler onto the CPU, aligning the mounting brackets with the screws on the back plate. Once in place, press down gently to ensure it's making good contact with the CPU. Screw in the mounting screws, alternating between the screws to apply even pressure. Now lastly, install the fans. The Thermalright Peerless Assassin comes with two 120mm fans. You can install them and connect the fan and power cables. Alright, now that everything is installed, it's time to fire up your PC and make sure everything is working properly. And that's it. That's how you install the Thermalright Peerless Assassin 120 SE CPU cooler. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.